Hello everyone. So need to transfer money from your CIBC account to TD Bank. Let me walk you through how to do it using the wire transfer method. So first you need to log into your CIBC online banking. Since we are not using the app, I will explain it with the website interface. So to transfer to another Canadian bank like TD, you will need to send a wire transfer. So this is how you do it. And for this, you will need the recipient's full banking details. For example, you will need the full name and civic address like this to make the transfer. Because you are sending money to another account, no PO boxes allowed, and the exact name on their TD account. So also you need TD account number. For example, this is the SWIFT code. You'll also need this one and a 5-digit number and a 3-digit institution number and the TD Swift code, which is this one. This is universal and it applies to all accounts and branches. So the account information will look something like this. And also when you make a transfer, you will be asked for a reason like a payment, invoice, or a reference. So just mention the reason for transfer, add all your details, add the information and the amount of money. Now, as in terms of fees, so fees can range from 30 to 80 per wire payment, $80 depending on the amount you are sending. If it is under 30,000 internationally, you can use the global money transfer online for free. And that's it. Just collect the recipient details like this, make sure it is accurate, and then head to CIBC and then just send wire transfer and fill in the details correctly. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.